Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Bank of America Credit Insights detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Bank of America homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the Sign In option located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your online banking ID and passcode in the required fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Credit Card section from the main menu. Under the Credit Card section, find the Credit Insights option. Click on Credit Insights to proceed. You will be directed to the Credit Insights page. Here, read through the information provided about the service. Follow the prompts to agree to the terms and conditions. You may be asked to confirm your identity through security questions or text verification. Complete the verification process as directed. Once verified, fill in any additional information required for the subscription. Review your information for accuracy before proceeding. After confirming your details, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is successful. You can now access your Credit Insights reports and tools at any time through your account. Always check back regularly for updates and enhancements to the service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.